So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to teach children fractions. So to start with, we'll start with the simple fractions, where the denominator on both sides that you're adding are the same. So 4, first of all, you need to explain this 4 here, basically just an information. Okay, it's basically referring, for example, if you got a pizza, imagine this is a pizza. And basically 4 is just referring that you split this pizza into 4 slices. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this question is basically say, if I give you one slice out of the 4 slices of pizza, and I give you another slice out of the 4 slices of pizza, how many slices of pizza do you have? So it's basically adding 1 at 1 is 2. So it's 2, but you cannot just write down 2 slices because you're referring to 2 slices out of 4 slices. Now also show them that 2 out of 4, if you look at this pizza, is actually half, isn't it? So it's actually half of a pizza. Okay. And then following from there, then do a few more. For example, this one. It can be in any form, like 10. For example, you've got a rectangle kind of thing. Do some drawing with them and then split it into 10 slices kind of thing, equally, as much as you can. And basically, when the denominators are just the same, it's all just involving adding the 2 numbers up, which is 5. And the denominator is just an information that this 5 is out of 10 pieces. Following from that, once they're familiar, do a few of takeaway as well. And then we then move on to slightly harder kind of fractions adding, which is basically, what if you got a third, which is this one, okay? So one pizza divided, split it into 3 equal pieces, which I try as much as I can to do it. Is not quite proportional, but that will be for demonstration purpose, yeah? And the other one is made of pizza that is cut into quarters. Now the problem is, note that pizza that cut into quarters, in terms of the size itself, this is not exactly the same as this one. You see that when pizza slices split into 3 pieces, each of these slices are much bigger, yes, than the quarters one. Now the question is, you cannot just add up pizza that are not the same kind of sizes. So what we need to do is to make sure that we split each of these pizza slices into equal sizes. And the way to do it, what we usually do is to multiply each other. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12. So on each of these slices, I need to split it into 4 more slices. And because as I'm splitting the initial sort of like bigger pizza into 4 additional 4 slices, then everything will proportionately, it will change. So if you multiply this by 4, you need to multiply the top number by 4. And for this size, to make it equal to this number slices of pizza, we need to times 3 here, and therefore the top bit we need to times by 3. So what happened is, for illustration purpose, so this is initially we got 2/3, so 2 out of 3 slices, yes? We're referring to this bit. To demonstrate basically what happened when we times 4, basically each of these slices we need to split it into 4 slices. So I'm going to try my best to split it into 4 slices, okay, equally. So split it into 4. 1. Remember, we're splitting in 4 slices. Each of these pieces we're splitting into 4 slices, okay? And because each slice we split into 4 slices, as you can see now, the initial bigger kind of slice of pizza, a third like that, is now becomes 4 slices here. And there is another 4 slices, okay? So you see here, then it becomes 2 times 4, now it becomes 2/3 now. In terms of when you cut it down into smaller slices, it now becomes 8 out of 12 slices, isn't it? Because if you think about this, if we slice up everything, see, even this one now becomes another 4 slices. And if you count it altogether, we do have 12 slices now instead of 3 slices because we split each of these big slices into smaller slices. And then for the quarter one, which is just now is 2 out of 4. So 2 out of 4, yes? Now what it says that we need to actually split each of these quarter slices into 3 little pieces. So I'm going to split them into 3 equal pieces. Okay, I try my best to split them. 1, 2, 3. Yes? So each of this quarter now becomes 3 little pieces. 1, 2, 3. You see now we got how many pieces? We got 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's true. Just now what happened is 2 times 3 is 6 slices out of 12. Okay? So altogether, now we can add them up because now the pizza slices, this one is equal to that one. Now we can add up the pizza slices, which is 8 at 6 is 14. Oh, sorry. Is 14 out of 12. Now this is a top-heavy fraction, isn't it? So 14 out of 12 is equal to 1 pizza with additional 2 out of 12 slices. So that's how you do that. So every of these, whenever you got a top-heavy answer, you need to actually simplify it to a mixed number fraction. Okay, I hope that's clear. Thanks.